Yay. Okay. Well, we had a bizarre thing happen this morning. They don't call it Supernatural British Columbia for nothing. My phone decided to completely change time zones on me today without informing me. And so I come to sit down at my computer and we are totally off by an hour. So sorry about that, guys. Not happy with that. So anywho, let's look at where we are today on the vault. We are at minus 13 and getting up there. We're getting up there. So let's go and let's start trading today. I already put our trading session here inside of Tana, so we know where we are. And let's put our target balance in. So our target balance is 392, add 392 for 199.86. And I'm just going to delete that stuff. So that's where we want to go to today, right? That is our target. And let's go back into Hyperliquid. And, I was running something in Claude. For fun, I set up Claude to have, my OpenClaw to have its own wallet and its own Hyperliquid account. And I set that up last night. I did it from a guy on YouTube, but I'm going to make a new video for you guys because if you do it, there are definitely security things that you should be aware of before you do that. So I'm going to do that video for you later if you're interested in having your OpenClaw actually trade for you. And I'll keep you abreast of what's going on. I'm not going to hook it up to the vault yet at the moment. I know that we can do that, but I'm not quite ready to do that yet. I need to understand it a heck of a lot more before I do anything like that. So we will not be doing that. So let's look at what's going on today. Let's look at BTC and see where it is. I believe it's down quite a bit. Yes, look at that. Woo! Okay, let's look at TradingView to find out what our levels are. Oh, and I should, I'm going to tag. Whoops, don't do that. Not. And also Hercules. Okay, cool. Okie dokie, let's see what TradingView has to see for us today. And we are nicely into our buy zone. So that's interesting. I'm going to pull out here just so that we can see. I'm going to go up to the daily here. Okay, cool. So as I said before, what you're seeing here, just in case you're not familiar with what's going on, I'm going to close that. Whenever the 50-day gets crossed by Bitcoin, we end up going down by about 50%. And so that would take us down to about 51,856. Okay. And so this is our weekly zone here. And this is actually our monthly zone here. We could dip into that. Some people have called for that for sure. However, we've got this situation here, right? So I fully expect, I'm going to go down to the 4 hour here and the 1 hour. Well, we'll see. What I was saying is that I fully expect bounce back up into here before we go any further. But who knows? Just realize we're kind of in that danger zone right now, especially with being down here. But at the same time, all of our indicators are showing us that we are, in a heavy downtrend. Our rune is like maxed out. Our bears are totally in charge right now. And our moving averages have clearly been crossed. So actually, I can probably get rid of this. Maybe I don't even know if I can grab a hold of it anymore. Oh, well. Anyways, just ignore that little piece in there. Okay. So we will keep an eye on that. Might not trade BTC today because of that. I'm just watching it right now over here, just in case you're wondering what I'm doing. Yeah, it might likely turn around. So this is a really dangerous point to be in right here. Okay. So now, having said that, I also heard that Hype was doing pretty good. Not totally good, but pretty good. Okay. So Hype might be going for a turn right now. And so I'm going to come back in here and remove all of our flags. Unflag our symbols. And we're going to go find, where is Hype? There it is. And we're going to flag that for sell. So if we have this cross, our moving average cross here, and just in case you're unaware here, this is the 3 and the 7, and that's a 50 oscillator there. Okay. So we are just going to leave that there. And it looks like we may be getting a cross here on the 13 and the 20, which are the red and blue right there, which would lead me to believe that we're going to go down. And just judging by the way the market structure is right now. But there you go. It's going up. Who knows? So we'll keep an eye on that. We will definitely keep an eye on that. And also we have the bears are not, or the bulls are, losing control here. So that's where we are on that. And let's have a look at what are the other things. Stable, eh? Let's have a look at that. I wouldn't do anything with this at the moment. That's my answer. My answer is nada. We do nothing. Let's have a look at XRP. Okay. Excuse me. We are going to go down to, where is my XRP? Is my XRP not there? It's interesting. XRP. We're just going to go with that one. Ooh, ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That is definitely not a happy camper. That one again too, I would say we'd want to be careful of a turn on XRP. Let's go back into this here. I wouldn't say right now. It's not really ripe for the turning at the moment. So we'll just leave that puppy alone. Nothing else really exciting. So let's look at what we got going on up here. Axie. Let's look over here. I would say we could come down to 1337. That's not a big move though. There could be a point of control developing right there at, what is that? Right on, oops, there, come on. 1.276. Okay. So let's see. Let's watch this for a second first. Okay. And 1.276. That's actually a long way to go. I don't know. We'll see. Let's give it a bit of breathing room there. Okay. So we are going to put a yellow on that because we're in it. And this is where we are supposedly trying to head. We've still got some range here, and the bears are fully in control. So we'll see what we're going to do there. We never know, never know. Okay. What's going on with Avantis? Okay, AVNT. Can't even see it clear. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I can't even see it clear. I'm not going for that. Nope, I don't know. It's just dead under there. Let's have a look at bio. What's that? What? Okay. My computer made noise. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Who knows what that was? Bio. No, not going to do anything there. Our Axie is going down as we had expected. Ooh, look at that. Just jumped up. Let's look what's up with CRV. Let's come down into the daily. Actually, it was a little easier to see in the weekly. Our weekly low, 0.2292. So we could go for that. Is there any volume on that? Okay. Let's do it. And where do we want to go? 0.2292. Yeah, I don't know about that. 58 divided by 3, 19. Our Axie is doing nice. What was our target today? Our target was 392. Okay. Alrighty. This is nice that everything's going in our direction. We like that. Let's see what else we might got going on here. DYDX, a little push up there. Let's go down to the daily. Hold on, what was the weekly there? The weekly is down at 0.0857. But we're, no, I don't think I want to go into that right now. Are you guys coming back up? Axie looks okay, good. Better. Much better. You just keep on going there, baby. DXY looks like it wants to come down. I'm just going to put it lighter. Because I'm not as sure of it. And what did I say? Point 0842. Point 0842. That would be, oh, wow. Hang on. Guys, we just got our target. Hold on here. Slid a little bit when I pulled out. Where are you going? Hello? Hyperliquid, what are you doing? There we go. Trade. 198.85, and I think we were 199.86. Okay, well, let's just go right back in. We were doing well in AXS. And don't pull back on me now. What else were we in? Trade history, CRV. Oh no. Come on. Hang on. I'm going to wait until we start going down again. What was our point on Axie? Come on. Why are you behaving badly? Okay. It just does not want to go back down to Axie right now. Hello? Let's go to BTC for a second. Okay. Now, do you notice it pulled back up there? Where's the access? It just does not want to look at Axie right now. Let's see if we can get to it by something else. There we go, that's better. 13147. 13147. That's so freaking close. Oops, 0.3137. Oh, it's not that close. Okay. That's fine. I'm just going to leave that open for a sec. Okay, we're headed back down here. Hang on. Okay. And what did we say where we were on CRV? I'm going to delete this Axie as well since it's not cooperating. CRV. We're going down to 0.2285. So let's put that in there first. 0.2285. What? Oh yeah, okay, I remember. That was that one. 55 divided by 3, 18. Okay. Come on, guys. We were going down, not up. They thought, no, it's too early to close your day. It's too early. So, while we're waiting for these to come back down again, oops. That's just me. That's good. Let's see any other notifications. Okay, cool. You are not being good. I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to go get some more coffee. Okay. Slowly coming down. Slowly. Let's see where BTC is. Ooh, stable is coming down. That's actually good. Now it could turn around right there and go back up. Let's hope it doesn't. Let's take a look at BTC. Because if the big boy is coming down, then our other ones will be coming down too. Yep. And there they go. I hate it when it jitters like that. Sorry, not a lot I can do when it does that. There we go. That's better. That's better. I'll take that. Come on. And let's take that. And that should put us over. Yeah, we go. Woo! We're done. We are done, guys. That is our 2% for today. So 201.05. Hang on. 201.05. And you might be, well, like, why don't we keep going since it's going down? We're more likely to lose money at this point than we are to make it. So the whole point of all of this is you have your target, you get your target, and you get the hell out. Do not stay in the market. We got 2.61 today. We're going to be happy with that. And we're going to get on with our day and be done, right? That's what we're going to do. Let's go look at our APR. Trading vols. We should be up around 12 now, if I'm correct. 11, even better. All right. We are at 11. Minus 11. Okay, kids. What did we have? We had wins and losses, trade history. We had 1, 2, 3, 4. We won all of them? Oh my goodness, we did. Wow, that's crazy. I guess because we were moving so fast, I didn't even notice that. Gotta love that. Okay. All right, we are done for the day. I hope that that was informative for you. And we are off with, we got comments here. What do we got? Oh, Nat says, go Marnie. Rough day for XRP. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I'm so glad I can see these in here. That's really cool. Show that. Way to go. And then rough day for XRP. Why can't I see them here? I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, Nat, that is our day today. We're done. We are totally done with trading today. We got what we wanted. We get the hell out, right? That's it. That is what we do. Get the hell out when you got what you want. Okay. Thanks for coming, guys. Tomorrow, I have now turned off my automatic because I'm in this area where I think the time zone is kind of like fluctuating in and out here. So as they say, supernatural British Columbia, one of those things. I just locked it to Calgary now, and so it won't be changing. It is supposed to be locked on Calgary time. So peace out, guys. Have a great day today. Go get them.